Introducing Clover Court Luxury Apartments, an exceptional student housing destination in London that is sure to transform your perception of excellence. Take your pick from a range of meticulously designed 12 and 3-bedroom apartments tailored to align with your preferences, where each ultra-convenient room welcomes you to a snug bed, high-definition TV, and floor-to-ceiling windows, upgrading your stay to the zenith of convenience. But wait, there's more. Step outside your bedroom and unwind in the stunning rooftop terrace garden, or satiate your constant caffeine cravings with the in-house Dolce Gusto coffee machines. Plus, a fitness center ensures you stay in the best of shape with the amazing in-house social spaces, letting you socialize after a long day at the university. And when it's time to don your academic cape, you're in luck, as the University of Sunderland and UCL School of Management are both nearby. Post-lectures, grab a steaming hot cup of coffee at TDO Cafe, or savor a delectable meal at Byblos Harbour. On weekends, head to London O2 Arena, National Maritime Museum, or Billingsgate Market to explore the unparalleled magnificence of London. Plus, the apartments are located conveniently close to London City Airport and several bus stations and train stations, saving you a huge chunk of money. So are you ready to unveil a truly luxurious life in the UK's capital city? If yes, head over to amberstudent.com and secure your exceptional stay at Clover Court Luxury Apartments, your future home away from home.